Today, my name is Kunaksam Gilango from grade 12 Use 1. Today, I'm gonna perform an experiment about different nature of light, which is about refraction, reflection, absorption, interference. And now, I'm gonna perform an experiment about reflection. And we need a flashlight and a mirror.
Go.
Watch this video to see the result.
As you can see, when I point the flashlight to the mirror, it bounces in other direction.
I'm gonna perform about refraction. Need a water, a cup, and stick. Watch this video to see the result.
1, 2.
Cut this stick to the cup with water.
As you can see, the stick looks bent, cut or bigger than original size.
Absorption. And now, I'm gonna perform an experiment about absorption. And we need an object with a color. This video to see the result.
As you can see, when I expose the object in the sun, I see color red because it reflected in my eyes.
Interference. And now, I'm gonna perform an experiment about interference. We need a holographic object.
As you can see, when I expose this object in the sun, I see different colors.